Yeah, the high number is stacked in the back.
Okay, ready? Yay.
Cyber goth Mother Earth that made my day. Truly, that was a beautiful costume. Even naughty this year and just get cold. We don't know who he is, but we think he's really, really cool. So our walking entries will be coming up the street now. They go up, they rescue them, they make sure everybody comes home safe. Thank you, El Paso County Search and Rescue. Hubble satellite. Cobra Commander.
Scary individual. But I recognize those lights. That's El Paso. Jeez, it's the Manitou Races. Inspired by Scooby-Doo and the gang. The mystery machine team captain is ready to solve the biggest mysteries. Cheekies. Cheekies are the live songs out there. Who can win the race? I'm seeing a triple. Okay, so there's one Fred, one Shaggy, two Scoobies, three Velmas, and a Partridge in a Blood Poetry. Is that what's going on here? Oh, she would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for you meddling kids. Dang it. Ray gun forever. Oh, they've got a whole thing. Ray gun forever. They are a blended family of free spirits. Counting the joy, never afraid to sing, dance, laugh, and love in this journey.
Gold. This is feeling like a gold medal performance to me. I'll take a bite out of Killer Deals for you. It's a countertop project. Mentioning they didn't write anything for me to say, so I'm just trying to come up with something. You guys write something next time. The princesses and the frog. Yay, y'all! The fairy tale is going to have a happily ever after once his frog, with his gang of princesses, takes the gold. Give it up for the frog! Maggie's If you got most lavish hotels are over 2 decades of AAA 4-diamond ratings put us in the category shared by few of the to a locally raised jack flavor, as well as an assortment of locally crafted beers and drinking anywhere you get your ass. Because together on the legendary food, Western Service, Texas Roadhouse. Distillery, these spirit guides have had one of their whiskey casts. Just a few weeks ago, the 3rd annual Best of the West Wings Fest left our taste buds tingling with their fiery flavors. If you tell anyone, they might have to write a strongly worded letter. Come on, Buscemi crowd.
It's also really well done.
Oh, yay! Pikes Peak Pride! Oh! People after national equity by celebrating, educating, empowering, and showcasing the unity and diversity of the LGBTQ+ community and the community food with great fun. Community fun with great food. Strike that, reverse it.
Yeah, I believe this is feeling about how his true nature but seek out its irresistible charm.
Well, you know, vegans can suck the psilocybin instead of the blood. Yay, Colorado. Oh no! Hannibal Vector! Oh, I think if you get lost or injured and just want to see a really hot and fit person, I mean, smell. Who doesn't have a rescue dog?
Everyone now feels like a kilt racing. He kept his team racing year after year. He was a great son, brother, father, friend, gone way too soon. He loved Halloween. He loved his yellow Celica GTS. Our hearts are broken. We miss him.
But it's going to be awfully hard to win in that. We've meeting Emma before. Truly magical.
Yes, everybody give it up for all the participants in the parade. All so amazing, so creative.
And so what they're going to do is, Manitou always does a parade twice. We do it one way and then we do an instant response. Chandra and Emma on the north.
It's nice to see she's not floating in the air anymore.
They're catching up real quick. The modification of that coffin from levitating to sitting inside, wonderful craftsmanship. Runner, but you are allowed to lose. Sesame in the Street. Sesame in the Street is doing their best. Always doing their best. It doesn't matter if you win or lose. You just have to try. However they lost.
Oh my God, it is after 5. The girls are trying their best, keeping up, making great time, but the Essex is definitely out in the lead. Pride is catching up. They're right behind them. Push, push, push. You can do it. And ladies of the last dance, putting in a valiant effort that Alvaro himself would be proud. There was some dancing.
We're on the opposite side now.
We're still waiting for him to get to the finish line, but that's the whole point. It's having fun. Keep trying. Always be proud of where you finish.
You and him will dance off with those guys any day.
CK Comics, they DC marvel at themselves. They give me vertigo. Princesses are definitely trying to get away from the go Yanni, go Yanni. It's your birthday, go Yanni. Those princesses literally just took out the yachts. You're not average. They are not average. I also never seen any princesses just like Gaston put on Belle's dress. Keep going, Heidi. You're not supposed to drink before the chicken time! Oh, chicken. Those chickens were first down the race as hard as they could. We took that race, no questions asked. This is going to be a really close one, and these guys both feel like they really want to win. Keep going, keep going.
They might take it.
Like, wow, man. He's really moving. Either which way,
Shaggy's a girl.
that race was fair. Oh. Teachers, you should pretend the students are behind you. Pretend the students are behind you. Woo! because these women are just unstoppable. Super impressive. I think they probably had to stop and change the diaper on the way, but they did it so. And they're reaching their the mummies did a great job of reaching them. There, but the princesses were right behind them. And somebody, we're not sure if they're enough though. That bend really changes everything. And Team Kazoo coming up to the finish line.